Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use page flip on Amazon Kindle 11. While reading a book, you have to swipe up from the bottom of your screen in order to make the page flip feature appear. Now here you can swipe between pages like this. You can use the slider to quickly move throughout the book. You can tap next or previous to navigate between chapters, and you can also change the view by tapping in the bottom right corner of your screen, which will open you this extended preview of the book so that you can navigate through the book easier. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.